Objective Paleontology, multiple choice questions with answers. These are the collection from various previous years question papers and hope useful for various competitive exams like CSR, NET, GATE, GSI and other civil services exams, ONGC and other exams. Welcome to set 8. Coming to the first question. In echinoids, the pore pair in the plates of the umbilical areas may be surrounded by an elevated rim known as, this was the question asked in civil services exam 1998. A. Peripodium, B. Lobenspleen, C. Branchiae, D. Pedicellarian. So the correct answer is D. Pedicellarian is the pore pair in the plates of the umbilical areas which are surrounded by an elevated rim. Next question. In brachiopods, the hinge line, which is much less than the width of the shell and is strongly curved, is referred to as A. Megathyrid, B. Spiriferid, C. Submegathyrid, and D. Terebrachulid. So, correct answer is D. Terebrachulid. Next question. When the beaks are directed towards one another in pelicipod shells, it is referred to as A. Orthogyre, B. Prosogyre, C. Opisthogire, and D. Prosocline. So the correct answer is B. Prosogyre. This is nothing but when the beaks are directed towards one another in pelicipod shell. So this can be referred as a prosogyre. Next question. The geological range of bivalves. These are lamellibranchs are also known as bivalves. So what's the geological range? The choices are A. Ordovician to recent, B. Devonian to recent, C. Triassic to recent, and D. Jurassic to recent. The correct answer is A. Ordovician to recent. It is a geologic range of bivalvia. Next question. Which one of the following best defines high and low tide limits in the marine environment? Choices are A. Neritic, B. Neritopelagic, C. Bathyal, D. Littoral. So the correct answer is littoral. It defines the best zone, the high tide and low tide limits in the marine environment. Next question. The fauna of upper cephalic deposits is dominated by A. Reptiles, B. Birds, C. Mammals, D. Invertebrates. Obviously, the cephalic fauna it's dominated by the mammals. So the correct answer is C. Mammals. Next question. Which one of the following is the most characteristic of lower Gondwana flora? A. Gangamopteris, B. Dictyogamites, C. Spinopteris, D. Tylophyllum. So the characteristic feature of the lower Gondwana is the Gangamopteris, whereas the Tylophyllum is the characteristic of upper Gondwana flora. So correct answer is A. Next question. Which one of the following genera has been reported from the middle cephalic formations? A. Brahmapithecus, B. Seminopithecus, C. Sugrivapithecus, D. Sivapithecus. So C. Sugrivapithecus, it has been reported from the middle cephalic formations. Next question. The type of the dentition in bivalvia in which the teeth radiate downward from the umbo is referred as A. Telodan, B. Disodan, C. Schizodan, D. Actinodan. So the correct answer is C. Schizodan. It is the type of the dentition in bivalvia in which the teeth radiate outward from the umbo. So C. Schizodan is the correct answer. Next question. The branchidium came into existence during A. Ordovician and Silurian, B. Carboniferous, C. Devonian, D. Permian. So correct answer is D. Permian. So during the Permian, the branchidium came into existence. Next question. Which one of the following groups of organisms is preserved by the process of carbonization? A. Ammonites, B. Corals, C. Graptolites, D. Trilobites. So the correct answer is graptolites. So these are the organisms which can be preferred by the process of carbon, or it is also the process of carbonization. Next question. The stratigraphic classification of Jurassic rocks of Kutch has been broadly made on the basis of fossils. Which one of the following has been used for this purpose? A. Pelecypods, B. Ammonite, C. Echinoids, D. Mammals. So correct answer is Ammonites. These are very useful for the classification of Jurassic rocks of Kutch. So that's why B. Ammonites is the correct answer. Next question. Archaeocyathids are an index fossil of A. Cambrian period, B. Ordovician period, C. Triassic period, D. Tertiary period. During the tertiary period, it's an index fossil of Archaeocyathids is an index fossil of tertiary period. Next question. Genus Monotis is present in Monotis shales of Triassic age is This was the question asked in Civil Services Prelims 1997. A. Bivalve, B. Bryozoans, C. Graptolite, and D. Foraminifer. So correct answer is A. Bivalve. Next question. What is a lopophore? Lopophore is a thin double-layered membrane that lines the interior of the shell anteriorly from the body, and B. A variously shaped appendage attached to the anterior surface of the body and with the mouth at the middle in the plane of the bilateral symmetry, and C. It is the organ by which the animals attach themselves to the substratum, and D. The mouth that opens directly into the digestive tube. So the correct answer is B. A variously shaped appendage which is attached to the anterior surface of the body and with the mouth at the middle in the plane of the bilateral symmetry. This is known as a lopophore. Next question. Which one of the following features in a fossil shell of a pelecypod indicates the burrowing habit of the animal? So choices are A. Adductor impression, B. Pallial sinus, C. Dentition, D. Ligamental groove. The correct answer is C. Dentition. Next question. In trilobites, the biramus appendages gave rise to two branches. The one used for walking is also known as A. Coxa, B. Semipodite, C. Outer ramus, D. Telepodite. So the correct answer is telepodite or telopodite. So this is a biramus appendages. It gives two branches. This is used for walking. Next question. Tetragraptors show a geological range in time from A. Lower Ordovician to Upper Ordovician, B. Cambrian to Ordovician, C. Upper Cambrian to Upper Ordovician, D. Middle Cambrian to Upper Cambrian. So the geological age of the Tetragraptors is Lower Ordovician to Upper Ordovician. So graptolites are more abundant during Ordovician period. So A is the correct answer. Next question. Large scale diversification and divergence of lineages is known as A. Parallel evolution, B. Adaptive radiation, C. Adaptive convergence, D. Phyletic speciation. So the correct answer is B. Adaptive radiation. So the large scale diversification and divergence of lineages is known as adaptive radiation. Next question. Foraminifera become important rock forming elements for the first time during A. Carboniferous, B. Permian, C. Triassic, D. Jurassic. So these were the important rock forming elements during Triassic period. Hope you have enjoyed the question. See you in the next video.